So we know what it is, but where on earth did this amazing method come from? Well, it wasn't dreamed up in some lab. Nope, this was born out of pure necessity, a crisis that forced coffee farmers to either innovate or face losing everything. For this story, we have to go to the beautiful coffee farms of Costa Rica. Now, this is a country that's always been famous for amazing coffee, especially using that modern washed method. But then, something happened that changed the game completely. The year was 2008, and a natural disaster struck that would have a huge, unexpected impact on the entire coffee industry there. In 2008, a massive earthquake rocked Costa Rica, and in the aftermath, the country had extreme water shortages. Things got so bad, the government had to bring in really strict water conservation rules. For coffee farmers who depended on the traditional wash process, which uses a ton of water, this was an absolute disaster. This timeline really lays it all out. The earthquake causes a water crisis, which makes the old way of doing things impossible. So what do the farmers do? They adapt. They figured out a new method that used way less water by leaving that sticky mucilage on to dry. What started as a desperate move to survive quickly turned into a celebrated new technique. The honey process was born. And that incredible origin story leads us right into one of the biggest reasons honey processing is so important today. It's not just about the fantastic flavor, it's also a powerful answer to one of coffee's biggest environmental problems. I mean, just look at that number. 60 to 70%. Honey processing can cut water usage by that much compared to the old fully washed method. In a world where water is becoming more and more scarce, that is a total game changer. And when you see it all laid out in a table like this, it's just so clear. The washed process uses a staggering amount of resources. We're talking up to 130 liters of water for just 1 kilogram of coffee, and it creates a lot of wastewater. The honey process, though, finds this perfect middle ground. It slashes water use and waste, all while giving farmers this amazing control over the final taste.
So what we have is an incredible innovation that came from a crisis, tastes amazing, and is more sustainable.